This video is a shout out video for Soybean Farmer and cousin Scotty Rock Trains. They're both cousins that they're they're both cousins that own a farm in North Carolina that farms soybeans, and he's just starting to grow. The soybeans are starting to grow, and the next one is cousin Scotty Rock. He's got a little bit of the everything on his channel. He's got this little 1020 John Deere that I absolutely like. I think it's cute. I don't know why, but I don't know. But I think it's cute, and he farms with it. And he farms with it. His cousin's 40-20, and his cousin drives his Ford when he's there, but Soybean Farmer likes his John Deere better than his Ford, which I don't blame him for that one. But anyway, they're both soybean. They both harvest soybeans, and that's all Soybean Farmer does. 'Cause that's his channel name, and I think they're a good channel to watch, and I like watching them, and they're entertaining too. Especially, yeah, I don't know, but they're just entertaining to watch. And cousin Scotty Rock helps Soybean Farmer out. If he can't figure out how to get some part or put back together, he just calls Scotty Rock, 'cause he's a little more mechanically inclined than Soybean Farmer is. I was watching his combine video a little while ago, and that was funny. Yeah. I just want to do a video for Soybean Farmer and Scotty Rock, 'cause I enjoy their videos and hope we keep bringing them, 'cause I like watching them, and they're entertaining to me. And there's one more, but I'll do it later. But yeah, this one is for Soybean Farmer and cousin Scotty Rock, and I don't want to get to show them because it takes time for a demo. Alright, catch you boys later. Soybean Farmer, already go, bud. I told you I was going to do this last night when I commented on your video. So there you go. And thanks to cousin Scotty Rock for putting out them videos, and I enjoy every single one of them when I get a chance to watch them. Alright, catch you all later, guys. Talk to you later.